Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys know how obsessed I am with perfumes, and recently I found this very beautiful homegrown brand that sells such good quality perfume. I've been dying to tell you guys about this particular brand. I have been diving into a lot of homegrown labels and homegrown brands. I'm all about supporting, vocal for local. I am in love with one of the perfumes. It smells so sophisticated, so elegant and so classy. So yes, without much blabbering, चलो शुरू करते हैं इस वीडियो को. Like I said earlier, I've been all about supporting homegrown labels and homegrown brands, and that's when I found this very beautiful perfume brand called Noir. It's not just about the perfume or the scent, it's the whole story behind the brand, and it's so beautiful. The name itself, Noir, means river of life. The founder of the brand is actually a traveler and wanted to capture the beautiful essence of different cultures and places and destinations inside a bottle. I mean, how beautiful is that? Now let's dive into the perfume and the scents. Okay, they have got 15 different perfumes, from sweet vanilla to aqua, something for everybody. And the best part, they have such cute discovery sets जहाँ आपको अलग-अलग fragrances मिल जाएंगे without actually having to buy the full size bottle. The moment I saw this, I knew I had to get this, also because I wanted to give something to my mother, and that's why I got this. So this is what the beautiful discovery scent cassette looks like. You can go ahead and try out 3 different perfumes at once. So अगर आप कंफ्यूज हो कि आपको कौन से परफ्यूम्स पसंद है, धीरे धीरे आप सारी चीजें यूज करना, एंड देन आपको पता चलेगा कि which one you like the most, and then go ahead and invest in the fuller size bottle. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको छोटे छोटे साइज दिए जा रहे हैं. Look at the size. It is such a good quantity. You are getting such beautiful perfumes, and 3 of them all at once. Different perfume and scents and fragrances all at once for just 1,199. I mean, how beautiful is that? Let's start with the perfume, and I'm starting with the one जो मैं पहले अपने लिए मंगवाई थी, and this is the one that I've ordered for myself. This is a very beautiful Charm Chronicles Discovery Set, and इसके अंदर आपको 3 fragrances मिल जाएंगे. Let's start with the first scent. So this is the Crystal Rose ADP, and this is how the bottle looks like. It is such a cute bottle and perfect for travel. The Crystal Rose is just so beautiful. It is so fresh and modern. So if you are into a lot of fresh rosy scents, then this is going to be so good. It has this damask rose and icy juniper vibe into it that is just so perfect for daytime wear. So if you are into a lot of floral rosy fresh scent, then this is going to be your absolute favorite. Now let's talk about Crimson Flame. If you love something that's bold, powerful, yet it's sweet and sexy, this is it. I'm definitely keeping this. It has saffron and amberwood. It smells so powerful, so luxurious. I will definitely wear this to some fancy dinner. I will smell like $1,000,000. The next fragrance is my absolute favorite. It is so me. So this is the Seductive Vanilla, and this is how the bottle looks like. This right here is so me. I love anything that's sweet. It is a gourmand scent. It's so warm, so sweet, but has a bit of sexiness onto it. It's a vanilla fragrance, but with a hint of dark chocolate in it. So that's all you get in the first set, which was the Charm Chronicles set, and this is how it looks like. So if you are into a lot more sweet, sexy fragrances, then you can go ahead and check this out. You're absolutely going to love this. Next up, I have this very beautiful Flora Cascade Discovery set, and it is all about freshness, floral fragrances, and a lot of elegance onto it. First scent from the Flora Cascade Discovery set is Temptation. Let me briefly explain you the fragrance. It's pure seductive fragrance. It's almond, coffee, and jasmine mixed together. It's just seductive. It's so light at the same time. The second fragrance from the Flora Cascade Discovery set is Floral Muse, and this is what the bottle looks like. This is straight up a daytime wear perfume. It has bergamot, rose, as well as orange. So it is straight up a daytime wear perfume. It is bright. It is very sharp and crisp. very versatile. If you are on a lookout for subtle fragrances to be worn during the daytime, this is your absolute, beautiful find. You're absolutely going to love it. And the last fragrance from the Flora Cascade Discovery set is Summer Vibe, and this is what it looks like. This is straight up happiness in a bottle. It has, peony, it has rose as well as citrus, which is straight up a summer fragrance. It is so fresh, so lively, will just lift up your whole mood and make you feel so good. My mom literally took the Flora Cascade Discover set, and I'm not even mad because I myself am obsessed with the Seductive Vanilla. It is just so creamy, so sexy, so warm and sweet. It is just me in a bottle. These discovery sets are so good because you're actually trying different fragrances and high quality perfumes without spending a lot. So whether you are treating yourself or looking for something to gift, this is the perfect option. And the best part, these are made with high-end imported fragrance oil, so it lasts way longer than most perfume that you get in the market. So this isn't some cheap quality, low quality stuff. You're actually, treating yourself with high-end premium quality perfumes that most brands do not even offer at this price. So yes, that is it for this video, and I hope you guys like it. I will link everything in my description box, so zarur jaakar check kar lena. And yes, comment down below and let me know which perfumes are you guys so excited to try. And I will see you guys in the next video. Tab tak ke liye, take care and bye bye.